Welcome to the technical guide on transformer bushings. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of assembling the protection tank on RIP bushings and performing the oil filling procedure. Before you start, ensure you are wearing the appropriate safety gear like helmet, safety glasses, gloves, safety shoes. Before starting the oil tank assembly, ensure that all essential tools and required items are readily available. It is essential to assemble and fit the protection tank to RIP bushings when they are not in use, as it protects the oil end active part of the bushing from dust, moisture, and humidity. Before fitting the protection tank, ensure the bushing is placed horizontally on proper supports and not directly on the floor. Always ensure the protection tank is clean and completely dry before use, as dirt, moisture, or contaminants can affect oil quality and lead to potential operational issues. Before mounting the protection tank, insert the O-ring into the designated groove as shown in the video. Proper placement ensures a secure seal and prevents oil seepages. After inserting the O-ring, mount and attach the protection tank to the mounting flange and securely tighten all fasteners using appropriate tools such as bolt removing and tightening machine, nut runner, or spanner. While attaching and mounting the protection tank, ensure that the oil filling plug is positioned straight upwards as shown in the video. To start the oil filling process, open the oil filling plug and fill the oil while keeping the oil drain plug open. It is essential that the oil being filled has a breakdown strength above 60 kV, a tan delta below 0.005, and moisture content under 5 parts per million, as failure to meet these parameters can adversely affect the oil end active part. Once oil overflows, tightly close both oil filling and oil drain plugs and clean the excess and overflowed oil. With this, you now have a complete understanding of how to assemble the protection tank and carry out the oil filling process for our RIP bushings. Thank you for watching the video. For more such educational content, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.